Good morning, crafters. This is Felicia. I know it's been a long time. Um, Finally got everything. Well, not everything. I'm in a good place where I can at least craft when the mojo is there. So my room is halfway together. But I want to talk about this wonderful package I got in the mail yesterday, and I waited till the morning so I can have some good light to do this video. I won a giveaway from Rachelle, who is Scrap Fantastic, and I'm gonna link her below. But I've been, planning in the planner community for a minute, and I won her TN. Haven't opened it. I just cut it. So let's get into it. And Rachelle does amazing work. And she shares her talents on how she makes things just amazing. Look at this baby. Let's see. And it's from, the TN is from Mystical Little Gifts, which I have. This will be my third one, actually. Let's see, here's my B6 that I had loved so much that I have been neglecting. I've got an A6 that I started setting it up, but this one I believe is a pocket size. Look at me turn up everything already. And because it's just hubby and I in the house, I don't think I'm gonna do a December daily. I don't get to see the grandkids as much as I would love to do a December daily. But this would have been wonderful for that. Oh, I didn't want to tear that. Oh my goodness, yes, that is so pretty. Look at that. Ah. And how beautiful is that? I mean, if y'all could smell this leather, yeah, it is. Mystical Little Gifts. But this leather smells so wonderful. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I love this size. This is a great size. And I do believe this is pocket. I'm gonna have to go back to her video. But let's get into it. I'm sorry. Cute little bow clips. And I'm sorry, my husband has cuckoos in the house. Look at that. How cute. Her pocket insert. And she shows you how to make these on her YouTube channel. If you're like me, you're lazy, just end up buying them. That's really pretty. I'm sorry, let's see. And these are those Target pockets. Oh, these are some wonderful things. I wish I have the Cameo, the Cricut. I just don't make my own little stickers, which is sad. Oh, these are so pretty. Live well and play. Oh, it's cute. Cute. Holiday cheers. I may have to do a December daily, as boring as my life is. These are just too cute. All I want for Christmas. Be merry. These are just darling. And I'm horrible at making inserts. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I don't even have to buy inserts for next year. That's the calendar. Love my monthly calendar. Put all my birthdays on there because I try to send out my birthday cards. Great. Oh, I like that setup. Isn't it nice? Whoa, she blessed me so much. I'm serious because this was on my list to order some inserts. Now I said make a December daily, but I'm not now. This is just gonna be my. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my Oh wow, yeah. This is my go-to one right here. I don't have to do anything. She's got it all set up. Peace, love, and joy. Peace, joy, love. Sorry, I'm all in it. Oh, it's just nice pockets. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. And it's sad I bought all this stuff, the vellum and everything. Never made it. I love her pockets. Oh yeah, yeah. I can rest my B6 and my new A6. Oh, habit tracker. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes. This is definitely going to work. Yeah, that's okay. That's mystical. Little gifts. This is the. Oh, this is just so pretty. Man, I can't get over it. I would have never thought of the black with the red. It's pretty. Very pretty. Matter of fact, when I ordered mine, I always use Rachelle's discount code. I don't have my glasses on to see that. Yeah. This is beautiful. Yes, blessed. Every day blessed. Thank you, Lord. Cute. You know, we're about to put one of those on. That's a pocket. Look at that. And this is thick cardstock. That's really nice. Gifts and ideas. Christmas countdown. How nice. Because it'll be here before we know it. Jesus' birthday. I want some blank pages. Great. So I can use this all in one. This is good for my Bible study. Yeah. Great. 2 of them that's empty. Oh, it's just, that's one that's empty. That's good. That's good. In the back of the envelope. A 2-sided envelope. Wow. Like that. Thank you, Rachelle. This is, I mean, this is gorgeous. This is just, and I never can set mine up to be beautiful like everybody else's. This is just, this is just so nice. And we have a planner meetup. I don't think they had one this month. I think they have it next month. I can't wait to take this and show it off. How beautiful. Thank you again, Rachelle. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day.